Hey guys, we're back and live at 4:51, and we're running a mini for Mark's Trilogo Luke Jedi. There he is. I got 72 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Copy them there. 4-winner battle, actually. It's a mini for it. Looks like the top 4 win spots in a main. I'm going to paste them here, 1 through 72. I'm going to adjust the title a little bit. Luke Jedi, etc. Mini by Mark. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got a 10. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Jimmy, round 1. Beetle 2. Josh 3. Jason 4. Jimmy 5. Josh again on top in round 6 and 7. Rock 8. Rock 9. And our winners are Jimmy, Rock, Josh, and Gary. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. EXPWCK. There's our winners. Oop. Excuse me. I'm not sure what I pushed there. Now that I've done that, got that out of the way, we are done. 452. There you go. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See you next time.